Hi, everybody. So here we are, page 2 of our medical journal. Okay. And it says time to assemble your binder. We kind of did this with the supply list, but we're going to go over it one more time, anyways. So you should choose a flat surface, something like a table or a sturdy chair. Make sure that the wind or the fan's not going to blow it anywhere, blow your paperwork everywhere, because that just makes for frustration. Um, if you want to sit in your cozy chair and you've got it all organized, that's perfectly fine. You sit where you want to sit. Okay. Here's what our page looks like. Okay. Um, Unwrap your binder. We did that. We've got our binder. We've got our page protectors. We've got our labelers. If you have stickers, you have those. Open the binder. And like I said before, you can take these sleeves. You can take them and put them in, whole bunch of them in, and just fill your binder. Okay. I prefer not. I prefer to do one by one. Otherwise, I get lost. Okay. Uh, so you've inserted them in the. We're going to insert them either as we go, or you have a bunch of them in there. The binder sleeves. Um, the USB. Remember, I showed you how to clip that and showed you how to clip it into the binder. Okay. If you want to, you can. You can just open this, clip it in there, and close it. Okay. I'm not going to do my USB to last because I obviously need all the information on the USB before it goes into the notebook. Table of contents. Okay, that's the next page. It looks like this, all neatly. Lighting is just not working for me today. Okay. Right, that is all laid out very easily for you. We'll talk about that more next. And then um, that just says follow the checklist. Okay. And that is it for page 2. All right. Let me just grab a sleeve. Hope y'all are doing well today. So far, things are easy. It's going to get a little tougher for us. So enjoy the easy while you can. Okay. Slide it right in there. And then I'm just going to show it to you upside down, maybe. I'm just going to slide it into the binder. I also wanted to show you that the tabs I put in the side front just until we need them. You don't have to put them there. You can leave them in your pile. You do you. That's what's great about this binder, is it's all about you.